Santa came. Merry Christmas.
Where's Elmo? Elmo.
Oh, I'm so happy you're here. How fun. We kept you hostage.
A pancake.
Pancake. This is for Joel.
Oh my gosh, thanks.
How about a pancake, Rocco?
Mmm. Yummy. Good. And somebody's licking my face, and who can that be? Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
Hey, Boo.
Yeah.
Hey, Boo.
I wonder if Boo has a present over here.
You what?
I think Boo has one. Boo, is there a present for you?
They're over by the fireplace, that one that got torn up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you hid it. You're smart.
Well, I didn't intend to hide it. I just put it there, and then you piled all that other stuff in front of it.
Boo, is this yours? Here it comes.
Uh-oh.
Here, this is yours. That's for Boo.
Oh,
Oh
oh my goodness.
You get one too.
Oh, what happened?
Oh my goodness. Here, Trixie. She's all nervous. She's scared. Hey, Boo, that's mine.
Oh, a chicken. Oh, where'd you
It's
get
a
that?
fresh chicken. You can
Oh,
only
where?
get them at the PetSmart in Emeryville.
Oh.